Look at the camera. Why does it make him look so red? Bless you.
Make sure